Today we are reviewing SmashBox Photo Finish Correct Anti-Redness Primer. This primer specifically is designed to neutralize and counteract the redness in the skin, creating a more even complexion. It also creates a breathable and silky barrier on the skin, helping to protect it against damage from the environmental aggressors such as pollution and blue light. The primer helps to smooth the skin's texture, blurring imperfections and making the pores less noticeable. It aids in application of makeup, helping it to glide on smoothly and last longer. The primer is formulated to be suitable for all skin type, including sensitive skin. This product is also vegan and cruelty-free because it's formulated without any animal-derived ingredients and it is not tested on any animals. It is also non-acnegenic as it won't clog pores or contribute to any acne breakouts. The primer has a soothing effect on the complexion, helping to calm the skin and reduce the appearance of redness. The finish of this primer is satin. Some of the key ingredients are silkscreen complex. This complex contains antioxidants, hyaluronic acid, probiotic extracts, vitamins, and algae. It helps to nourish, balance, and defend the skin. And algae helps to calm and soothe stressed skin. Also contains rose and mushrooms, which are the ingredients that work together to reduce the look of irritation and further contribute to the calming the complexion. This was a review for SmashBox Photo Finish Correct Anti-Redness Primer.